What if I told you that the secret to stronger legs isn't hiding in a gym or a pill bottle, it's sitting right there in your kitchen? Sounds too good to be true, right? But stay with me, because a 2023 study published in the Journal of Clinical Nutrition found something incredible. People over 50 who ate a specific meal in the evening saw real measurable improvements in muscle strength and energy by the very next morning, just 12 hours later. That's not a marketing claim. That's science. Here's why this matters. When leg strength starts to go, everything else follows. Stairs feel harder. Your balance gets shaky. You feel tired doing things that used to be easy. Most people just chalk it up to getting older. But here's the truth, no one tells you age isn't really the main problem. The real culprits are poor cellular nutrition, silent inflammation, and eating at the wrong times. Your biology is the issue, not your birthday. And biology? You can change that. In this video, you're going to learn exactly which food rebuilds your leg strength overnight, why your nervous system matters more than your muscles, how to eat in a way that turns your body's repair switch back on, and a simple daily protocol you can start tomorrow morning. So don't go anywhere, because the last part of this video is where everything comes together. Let's start with something that surprises most people. You might not have actually lost as much muscle as you think. Research from the University of Calgary found that many older adults still have perfectly good muscle tissue in their legs. It's just not receiving proper signals from the brain. Your motor neurons, the messengers that connect your brain and spinal cord to your muscles, start losing efficiency in your 40s. The muscles are still there. They're just waiting for the call that never comes. The good news? That connection can be restored, and certain nutrients do exactly that. Fast. Now let's talk about leucine. Never heard of it? You're not alone. But this little amino acid is one of the most powerful muscle-building triggers in your body. Think of it like a light switch. Leucine flips on a pathway called mTOR, which tells your cells to start repairing and rebuilding muscle. A 2011 study in the Journal of Nutrition showed that even a single leucine-rich meal can kick this process into gear even in older adults whose bodies have become resistant to normal muscle-building signals. The best sources? Eggs, beef, chicken, and whey protein. Just 25 to 30 grams of high-quality protein gives your body enough leucine to start the job. Simple as that. But here's where it gets really interesting. Your muscles don't just need protein, they need a command. And that command comes from a chemical called acetylcholine. Every time you move, stand up, take a step, climb a stair, your brain sends a signal that gets converted into acetylcholine, which then tells your muscle to contract. As we age, we produce less of it, and the signal gets weaker. The fix? Choline-rich foods like eggs and liver. Your body uses choline to produce acetylcholine. More choline means stronger signals, which means muscles that actually respond when you need them to. And it's not just signals, your muscles also need oxygen and fuel delivered through your blood. That's where nitric oxide comes in. Think of your blood vessels like highways. Nitric oxide widens those highways so that oxygen and nutrients can reach your leg muscles faster. One of the best natural sources of nitric oxide? Beetroot. Studies show that beetroot concentrate can measurably improve blood flow and leg performance within just a few hours of consuming it. That's not months. That's hours. Now let's talk about the silent enemy, inflammation. Chronic low-grade inflammation is like a small fire that never fully goes out. It quietly attacks your muscles, blocks energy production, and weakens your nervous system's ability to activate your muscle fibers. You might not feel it directly, but you feel the results: fatigue, stiffness, and legs that just don't perform like they used to. The solution isn't a painkiller, it's dark leafy greens. Spinach, kale, arugula, mustard greens, all packed with polyphenols and magnesium that calm that inner fire. A 2019 study found that eating these foods daily can lower inflammation markers within just 2 to 4 weeks. Start with 1 cup at your first meal of the day. That's it. And finally, timing. This one is massively underrated. Research from the University of Texas found that people who spread their protein evenly across breakfast, lunch, and dinner had 25% higher muscle building rates than those who piled most of it into dinner. Your muscles need consistent signals throughout the day, not one big burst at night. Eat protein at every meal, especially breakfast. And if you walk or do any light activity, eat a protein and carb snack within 30 to 60 minutes after. That window is when your muscles are most ready to absorb nutrients and rebuild. So here's your simple protocol to start tomorrow. First thing in the morning, blend a smoothie with beetroot powder and Greek yogurt or a plant-based protein. Then take a 15-minute walk. This wakes up your blood vessels, triggers nitric oxide, and sends the first signal to your legs that it's time to get strong. Within an hour, sit down to a full breakfast with at least 30 grams of protein eggs, Greek yogurt, or a protein shake with fruit. That's it. 3 steps, 1 morning. And over the following days, add a cup of dark leafy greens to your meals and keep your protein consistent throughout the day. Your body wants to recover. It's designed to. It just needs the right inputs at the right time. And now you know exactly what those are. Try this protocol and pay attention to how your legs feel over the next week. You might be surprised by how quickly things start to shift: more stability, more energy, more of that feeling of being solidly in your own body again. If this video helped you see your health in a new way, please like it, leave a comment, and subscribe. We're here to give you real, science-backed tools to help you not just survive, but truly thrive. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.